I'm Shoykana. Today we are going to see pronoun. Do you know what is pronoun? Yes, pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun. Okay, instead of noun we have to use pronoun. Okay, instead of noun we have to use pronoun. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These are called what? Pronouns. Okay, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These are called what? Pronouns. Okay, these are called subject pronoun. These are called what? Subject pronoun. Me, you, him, her, them. These are called object pronoun. Okay. It is used for animal or things. Okay, it is used for animal or thing. Okay, non-living things mostly we have to use the pronoun it. For example, this is an elephant. It is very strong. Okay, instead of elephant we use the pronoun it. It is very strong. Okay. Next, she. The pronoun she is used for a girl or a woman. Okay, she is used for a girl or a woman. For example, Priya is a singer. Priya is very beautiful. Okay, repeatedly Priya, Priya, Priya we have to use. Okay, instead of Priya we have to use the pronoun she. Okay, Priya is a singer. She is very beautiful. Here she refers to Priya. Next, you. You is used when we are talking to someone in front of us. Okay, you is used when we are talking to someone in front of us. For example, you are a smart boy. Like that. If someone is in front of you means how could you speak? Hey boy, you come here. Like that you have to say, you is used to point out or speak talking to someone in front of us. We. The pronoun we is used when we are talking about ourselves along with others. Okay, when we are talking about yourself along with others. Okay, if some people are talking means in that group you also be part in that group. Okay, you also be a part in that group means we have to use the pronoun we. Okay, we is used when you are talking about yourself along with others. For example, we are studying. Okay, we means including I am also present in the group. They. They is used when you are talking about other people, animal or things. Okay, we are not take part in that group. So we have to use the pronoun they. Okay, they are playing football. In that group we are not taking that part. Okay, they are playing football. I is used when you are talking about yourself. Okay, when we are talking about ourselves. But I is only used we are talking about ourselves only. Okay, my name is Abhishek. I am 6 years old. Okay, I am talking about myself, isn't it? I is only used for talking about myself only. Okay, next, he. He is used for a boy or a man. Okay, he is used for a boy or a man. Ram is my friend. He is a doctor. Okay, here he refers to whom? Ram. Okay, he, she, it and I. These four are singular pronoun. Okay, I, he, she, it. These four are singular pronoun. You, we, they. These are plural pronoun. Here personal pronoun can be singular or plural. Okay, subject pronoun as well as object pronoun. In first personal pronoun I, in plural we, me, us. Okay, second personal you, you. Okay, in singular and plural as well as you and you only. Third personal pronoun he, she, him, her. In plural they, them. Okay, what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word that is used instead of noun. Okay, pronoun is used instead of noun.